Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling the feature that allows users you follow to start new chats with you on the Truth Social app. This setting helps you control. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then, select Preferences from the available options. Within the Preferences menu, scroll down to find the Direct Messages section. Finally, toggle off the option labeled Allow users you follow to start a new chat with you. This action will prevent new message requests from users you follow, while still allowing them to message you within existing chats. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the feature that allows users you follow to start new chats with you on Truth Social. This adjustment enhances your control over incoming messages and privacy. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.